Alright guys, Hyundai Santafe 2014. We're gonna be changing the old cabin filter on this. Alright, so we're just gonna quickly pop the glove box. There's a little twist tab right here that we need to take out. Take that out, twist it. Put that on the side. If you have anything that on the way, you have to move all the stuff. There's a little arm right here that needs to come out. So we're just gonna squeeze this little tabs. Alright, it's the best to get pliers and squeeze that plastic piece and then slide this arm right here on that tabs right there. Alright, so this is the window right here for the cabin filter. We're just gonna squeeze that tab, open it up, and then here's our cabin filter, the old one. Wow, look at this. It's really bad. Alright, so let's put the new one in. The airflow, you can see, is facing down. That's how the airflow on this Santafe is going down. It's gonna get sucked into the system, so airflow face down. And then you put the window back in there, and it will make a click. There we go. And the glove box is going back. Here's the tabs again. The arm will slide in to the plastic piece. Click. And then the two retainer. Twist and turn. And then the other side as well. There we go. And that's done. Alright, that's it. That's how you change the cabin filter on the Santafe 2014.